I, on behalf of St. Mark's Boys Town family, extend you a warm welcome. We are fortunate to have Sri Indra Master, Inspector of Police, of the station, and the guest of honor.
Honor Mr. Indra Master, C.I. Kalapattar, the guest of honor with the shot. Flowers spread the fragrance of joy and happiness.
चालू करके फोटो
Flowers are those little beacons of nature. And now invite Reverend the primary in charge, to honor Mr. P. Arati, the guest of honor with the shop.
I also welcome Mrs. and Mr. Ishwar Das and Mrs. and Mr. Susenath, those people here, guest of honor.
We are proud to welcome Mrs. and Mr. Nisai Nandal Daughters, parents of Jesus. I invite Maitali Sandra Jitya Bhana. House are ready for the march past. I call upon the general house leaders and the deputies of SSC and CDSC to lead their respective houses for the march past.
Blue is the color of loyalty and leadership.
It is the color of unity and uniqueness.
Blue ready to take up challenges, energetic to defeat tasks,
And for sports, and e-sport represents the qualities of Boys Town students.
blue is the overwhelming favorite color. Blue is seen such a peaceful, red is the color of sacrifice. The color of failure, they are the best.
Red symbolizes courage. Red is the color of leadership. Red rose we offer in love. It is a symbol of beauty.
Red is the color is today's sport.
Green is life. Green signifies growth, renewal, health and environment.
Green is very tranquil and refreshing.
Greenhouse
It is the symbol of environmental protection. It is considered as a color of peace and ecology.
It helps us to alleviate depression. Green is the most stressful color. Green symbolizes self-respect and well-being. Yellow is the brightest of all the colors. Brings light to the world. Yellow radiates the light and expels the darkness.
Yellow energy with a sense of responsibility, active and alert are marching forward.
Yellow brings bright light to the world. The color of sun shines like sun, radiates the light and expels the darkness. This is the color of intelligence.
It is the color of sunflower, the queen of flowers.
What a sight to watch.
what? A feast to the eyes. We have
Were completed. The torch and the games are the greatest symbols of sports and games.
I request Dr. R.B. Chandrabadan to hand over the torch to the high school sports secretaries, Master Deepak Kumar, Small Smita. They are carrying the torch and it is being received by deputy sports secretaries of high school.
Music. Come on, speed up. Fastest Chittai milestone 2017 and 18 Master.
Hello.
घर से अंदर घुस जाता है मैम
Show of soaring competence, glow of vibrating colors. It is larger than dreams, it is higher than goals. It is creation of talents, it is a festival of life. St. Mark's Boys Town Kekungan. Swagatam, Shubh Swagatam. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Shri Akal. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Excitement is in the air. Everyone is admiring them.
As they are being escorted towards the dais by the members of staff, Mr. Papi Reddy, Ms. Vijay Manikyam, Mr. Naresh, Mr. Sashikant, Mr. Mahesh, Mr. Srinivas Rao, Ms. Sarbat, Ms. Kalpana and Ms. Rafia. As the Boys Town NCC gives guard of honor. Today we salute with deepest sense of acknowledgement to those men of great zeal who gave momentum to this reality. Wish our dreams come true. Dear parents, friends and well-wishers, what we have achieved today would have ever remained in our dreams had there not been your kind cooperation and encouragement. Dear parents, friends and well-wishers, we like you to stand beside us and acclaim our achievements. The theme of the academic year 2017-18 is Share and Care.
desire to touch the hands of unconditional love and protection.
एक खोज इसकी जो हर पल है साथ.
You think and it happens. You ask for a step, you get an ocean.
And it's not कहाँ है? Let's
Sasa one.
And police station. We work at different places in Good afternoon. Tomorrow, St. Mark's Boyston High School is celebrating its 63rd Sports Day. This is like any other annual day. We are celebrating this Sports Day after many years. Usually every year we have only cultural program in the evening hours, but this time it is going to be in the afternoon. This includes march past, then drill displays, and also the sports activities like 100 meters, 200 meters, relay. This activity is organized to bring out the best talents in the children and to make the children also to know what exactly sports day is. The sports day is part and parcel of any institution. Nowadays people are not giving importance to sports, so this is one way we can improve the quality of sports and also inculcate interest among the students and parents about the sports. That is why this year we decided to celebrate the annual sports day in our school, and we have invited all the parents to witness. More than 1,000 students are taking part, so it is going to be a very exciting program. So once again I invite all the parents of this institution to take part and witness and enjoy the sports activities that are going to be displayed in our premises tomorrow from 1:45 to 5 o'clock.
Annual Sports Day function. This is a time where members of large joint family interact and build a better fellowship so that the entire new generation grows in harmony and good health. Before
Salute.
The flags flutter in grace and fly higher and higher. Thank you.
Is now within our school premises, and may the light grow to remove the darkness in the lives of all and brighten up our future. Thank you, sir. Thank you, students.
The flame represents the endeavor of protection and struggle for victory. The flame symbolizes knowledge and removes ignorance.
Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Start now.
วันดี शांत सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है
Stand up.
Caste, color, creed aside.
Turn right.
हमें प्यार निभाना आता है भारत माता तेरी गाथा सबसे ऊंची तेरी शान तेरे आगे शीश झुकाए दे तू